How's it going, guys? Vaibhav here, and I'm at Jumbo Electronics checking out the brand new Vivo X60. This is Vivo's latest flagship device available in the UAE at Jumbo Electronics for 2,499 dirhams. And with the packaging, you get not only the smartphone, but also a ton of different goodies inside the gift box. So what we're gonna do now is actually unbox this thing and take a look at what actually is included in this packaging. I'm gonna take a look at the phone first and put the gift box off to the side for the time being, and that way we can check out the phone. So this is the Vivo X60 in a nutshell. It's a very unique smartphone package, to be honest, different from what we see typically from any manufacturer, and that's always a good sign. Right off the bat, you see Zeiss branding on the smartphone, which is something we will talk about as we progress with this unboxing. But let's go ahead and peel off this plastic covering and check out what exactly comes included with your Vivo X60. So this is the box. Very nice matte sort of finish on the top with this starry texture. So again, attention to detail from Vivo is excellent here. And let's go ahead and crack this thing open and see what is inside. So the box is quite a snug fit, but once you have it open, you find the smartphone sitting on the top. Now, the smartphone itself is surprising because it's incredibly lightweight and thin. The Vivo X60 is only 7.4 millimeters thin and 176 grams, which puts it a class above the rest when it comes to actual usage in the hand. We're gonna go ahead and peel off this plastic covering and see the body finish in its full glory, just so you guys get an idea of how thin and lightweight this smartphone really is. Now, as I'm peeling this off, you can see the texture of the smartphone, and you can already tell how premium of a smartphone this is. There's Gorilla Glass 6 protection on the back of the smartphone, as well as on the front of the smartphone, which makes it durable for regular usage, and it's not going to scratch when you put it next to a set of keys in your pocket. Having gone ahead and set up the smartphone, the first thing you look at is the display. It's a punch hole style panel at a 6.56-inch size. Now, this thing has LTM certification as well as HDR10 Plus certification, and what that means is that your multimedia usage is going to go up a notch. This is an AMOLED panel, so you get vivid colors, you get deep blacks, and with this LTM certification, you not only get the best of multimedia, but it also means that when you're watching multimedia, your eyes are protected. And Vivo's also made sure that the display not only satisfies multimedia needs, but also multitasking needs, which is something that we do very often in 2021. So the panel itself has a full 120 Hz refresh rate, which means your general scrolling, your general multitasking is just going to feel a bit more fluid. As I'm scrolling through, I can already tell a difference. Now, in terms of software, you're getting Android 11 and FunTouch OS 11, but I think more than software, the hardware also plays a crucial part in making all of this work together. Inside, you're looking at the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 5G processor, which means you're gonna get lightning fast 5G speeds wherever you are, as well as up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. The other crucial hardware is, of course, the camera. This camera is powered by Zeiss optics, as I've said in the past. And what this means is that you're gonna get professional grade photos coming from the triple camera setup on the smartphone. You get a 48 megapixel Sony IMX598 sensor alongside a 13 megapixel optical sensor with 2x optical zoom and a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera as well. This hardware gives you access to things like macro photography, portrait photography, as well as night mode in varying different scenarios. But I think video is also a crucial part of the Vivo X60, with this thing coming with gimbal-like stabilization using both optical image stabilization as well as electronic image stabilization for the most stable looking footage wherever you are at up to 4K 60 FPS. And of course, on the front, you do find a 32 megapixel selfie camera to share your memories wherever you are. But I think the smartphone sort of combines all of this together with a 4,300 milliamp hour battery with 33 watt fast charging. And that's a good segue to check out what else is included in the packaging of the Vivo X60. So the first thing you get is the charging brick that I talked about. This is a 33 watt hour charger, which is going to be very helpful given the fact that this thing has Vivo Flash Charge 2.0. You also get a handy little case for the smartphone, so this is something you can use to protect the smartphone if need be. You get your warranty information as well as a Type-C USB adapter to charge the smartphone, and you also get a pair of headphones included with the packaging of the Vivo X60. And as for the gift box, it also includes a ton of other travel accessories to make traveling with the Vivo X60 easier. So this is the Vivo X60. It's currently available at Jumbo Electronics for 2,499 dirhams, and it comes with the free gift box I mentioned, a Ferrari backpack, as well as a premium watch. You can also avail the smartphone in installments, and at Jumbo Electronics, you can take advantage of the various delivery options available, including curbside pickup, click and collect, as well as next day delivery. To further enhance the warranty of the smartphone, there's also Jumbo Salama available exclusively at Jumbo Electronics.